In this video, we'll guide you through the complete steps on how to operate ERA's manual override valve system. Before we begin, let's quickly understand this manual override valve system. It's an ERA quarter-turn valve with a pneumatic actuator and manual control system. In normal operation, the valve is controlled automatically via air pressure. However, in the event of an emergency, power failure, or during maintenance, the valve can be operated manually using the manual override system. This makes the unit highly reliable for critical industrial applications. Key components include quarter-turn valve controls fluid flow. It can be any valve such as a ball valve, butterfly valve, plug valve, etc. Pneumatic actuator operates the valve using air pressure. Solenoid valve controls air supply to the actuator when powered. Manual override, hand wheel plus clutch for manual operation. Filter regulator delivers clean, controlled air. Limit switch sends open-close feedback signal. Let's look at the pneumatic operation. By pressing the solenoid's manual button, you can activate the valve. This step simply demonstrates that the valve is functioning in pneumatic mode. Switching to manual override mode. Step 1. Release air pressure. Use the filter regulator to release the air pressure from the actuator. Make sure all air is completely removed before proceeding. Step 2. Engage clutch mode for manual operation. Here you can see the clutch-declutch bolt and the lever. To engage clutch mode, first, pull the lever. Then, rotate the clutch-to-clutch bolt clockwise. This puts the valve in clutch mode, making it ready for manual operation. Now, use the hand wheel to manually open or close the valve. Warning: never operate the valve pneumatically while it's in clutch mode. Doing so may damage or break the valve shaft. Returning to pneumatic mode, declutch mode. To switch back to pneumatic mode, pull the lever again. Rotate the clutch-declutch bolt counterclockwise to disengage the clutch. Now, resupply air pressure to the actuator via the filter regulator. The valve is now ready for automatic pneumatic operation again. Let's now understand how to identify the current valve mode. If the clutch-declutch bolt is pointing downward, the valve is in declutch mode, pneumatic ready. If the bolt is pointing upward, the valve is in clutch mode, manual ready. In declutch mode, the hand wheel is disengaged from the valve shaft and turns freely. In clutch mode, the hand wheel is engaged and rotation will feel tight or stiff. Root cause analysis and solutions. Sometimes the lever may become stuck or difficult to pull. If that happens, remove the nut and detach the lever from the manual override assembly. If the lever still does not move freely, contact ERA support for a replacement. After inspection, ensure the lever is properly aligned with the shaft. Now, reattach the lever and verify that it engages and disengages smoothly. Thank you for watching. For more info, please visit our website, erandia.com.